the smart choice for maintaining a fresh and productive corporate environment. In the bustling world of business, the air we breathe can often be overlooked, but not anymore. Zaire, with a decade of excellence in manufacturing detection equipment and testing instruments, presents a solution that's as innovative as it is essential. Their dedication to providing clients with high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is second to none, and their OEM customization options ensure that every business can have exactly what they need. The Office Air Pro Indoor CO2 Monitor is your silent partner in productivity. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into any office setting, providing real-time data on the air quality that affects your team's health and focus. Imagine a workplace where every breath is as refreshing as the first hour of a Monday morning. That's the power of the Office Air Pro. And because we believe in the importance of a breath of fresh air, we're offering a special promotion that makes it easier than ever to invest in your office's well-being. It's our way of supporting businesses in creating environments where every employee can thrive. Ready to transform your office air. For more information on our products and how we can assist you, simply add my personal email from the homepage. Let's breathe life into your workspace together.